All right, welcome back, Last Request Barbecue Show. We're gonna have some fun on this show. First of all, thanks to everyone who's subscribing. My subscribers are growing. Be sure and comment and let me know what you'd like to see cooked. In this episode, I'm celebrating. I just got a new cookbook. There it is. Sam, the cooking guy, great YouTube show. I just got a new book and I bought this, and it's actually signed by the hand of Sam. Look at that, there's my autographed copy right there. Sam, the cooking guy, Between the Buns. So I was kind of searching through the book, and I came across this Juicy Lucy burger. So what's a Juicy Lucy burger? Well, it's a Minnesota staple, apparently. It is the cheese inside the burger. Check that out, inside the burger. So we gotta try it, right? So thanks to Sam, the cooking guy. We're gonna try his recipe. We're not gonna make a beef burger. We're gonna make a Dubreton organic pork burger, just for some added zip and something a little bit different. We're gonna put on some beautiful brioche buns. We're gonna mix it up with a bunch of stuff. I might take it up a notch with Ozark heat. Our Butts R Smokin, just because I like to say, you know, our Butts R Smokin. Shout out to Sylvain Charlebois, who also loves to say our Butts R Smokin. There you go. So we're gonna put it all together, and then the cheese I got from my friend Girth at Lakeview Cheese, and he selected this one specifically as a melty, stringy, beautiful cheese. So there we go. If you're in the Toronto, GTA, Mississauga area, best cheesemonger in the city, right here. And we're gonna put that cheese in it. So all right, we got a little bit of work to do. Let's get started. All right, let's get started. Let's get our organic Dubreton pork out of its package and into a bowl here. Let's break that up a little bit. There we go. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. All right, very good. All right, into that, we're going to put a lovely egg. Here we go. Into that, now we're going to put some salt and pepper. We are going to put some Worcestershire sauce. Everybody say it with me. Worcestershire sauce. We are going to put a bit of garlic powder and a bit of breadcrumbs. This is a little deviating from Sam's recipe. He doesn't have breadcrumbs, but it'll do a good job of holding the pork together. And then a little bit of our Butts R Smokin, just because we like to say our Butts R Smokin. There we go. A little bit of this. All right, now let's mix that all up. That egg, it acts as a little bit of adhesion, holding everything together. All right. Now the trick is I'm going to make two giant fun burgers out of this. You could make 4, that would be good burgers. It depends on the size, but I'm going to make 2 big ones today, just to help demonstrate. All right, so I'm going to put that onto some, check this out, from our friends at Reynolds, unbleached parchment paper. Check that out, composted. Let's get a sheet of this down here first. We're going to basically take our pork out of here, and we will divide by 2, because we're going to make 2 huge burgers. Yes, that's a lot of burgers, but we're a lot of hungry tonight. So let's divide this up. Comme ça. Oh, this parchment paper works great. And what you want to do is now we're going to further cut it up into half. There we go. So now we form some burgers. Now you could do this the night before as well and put them in the fridge, and that'll kind of pull them together. You could do that as well. This kind of works for a quick night dinner. Now, into here, this is the secret, we start to make this indent. I have an intention to make an indent right here, and this will be where our cheese will reside. These are going to be amazing, something different. Thanks again to Sam. Sam's Canadian, by the way. Little known fact. Well, actually talks about it sometimes on his show, Vancouver, I think. Now in San Diego. I guess calling him a YouTuber is really inaccurate. He's a Renaissance man, Renaissance chef. He's a restaurateur, he's an author, runs a fantastic site, very popular. Shout out to Sam. All right, we're gonna put our cheese from Lakeview Cheese, and this is a Frere Jacques cheese from Fromagère Saint-Benoît-de-Lec. We're gonna divide that cheese as well by 2. We can eat the rind in this cheese, by the way. That's how good this cheese is, and it's very, very melty. Girth suggested this would be perfect for grilled cheese sandwiches. So let's just put this in here. Woo! Woo! There we go. There we go. And, you know, one for the cook. There we go. And then now we're going to top it up, a giant burger, and we're going to seal it up. Woo! That's a big burger. Yeah! Ha ha! In a perfect world, that cheese does not come out until you're taking a delicious bite. I got a nice, really hot grill going. Oh yeah, I like that. Look at that. Perfect. All right. Sizzle, sizzle. There we go. Whoa. Whoa. Our burgers are cooking, so let's check the temperature of our pan here. 295, 320, 320, oh, 346, I gotta wash that at the back. So now, what we're going to do, get our buns ready. So we're gonna take some delicious organic butter, and we are going to spread that and create a base. I don't know why I didn't do this my whole life, but there you go. Now I'm doing it. See how we're doing? Oh yeah, that's hot. So let's get our buns down. All right. Beautiful. That crisps them up just nicely. I don't want them to burn, so I'm going to turn the heat off, and the residual heat will be enough to take that where we want it to be, as it's plenty hot enough. Let's check in with our burgers, which are coming along nicely. Opening up a little bit. Oh, I can see some cheese, which is a bit of a no-no, but that's okay. Move our buns around. Check out our buns. Oh, see how quick that happened? Look at that. Ooh, grilled deliciousness. Oh. Okay, those are done. There we go. Let's take a look. Oh, beautiful, perfect. Look at that. All right, the burgers are ready, so let's get them onto one of our delicious buns. There it is, the Juicy Lucy Dubreton pork burger. Enjoy.